Welcome to Study Loop.
This question is related to differential equation, and we are given a second order differential equation which is d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 12y equals to 0. Okay, and we are given that y equals to c1 e to the power 4x plus c2 e to the power minus 3x is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, this is e to the power 4x. It is the solution of this differential equation. So we have to find the value of c1 and c2 for the given initial value problems. Okay, so first of all we'll find the value of y dash, okay, which is dy by dx, because the initial values are given in the form of y and y dash. So if we find y dash, it comes out to be 4c1 e to the power 4x minus 3c2 e to the power minus 3x. Okay, now for the first part we are given that y of 0 is equals to 5, okay, and y dash 0 is equals to minus 2. Okay, so just putting the values, what we get is c1 plus c2 equals to 5 and 4c1 minus 3c2 equals to minus 2. Okay, so what we will use elimination method to solve these two equations to find the value of c1 and c2. So what I'll do is I'll multiply the first equation by 4 to eliminate c2. Okay, for eliminating c2, we have multiplied this first equation by 4. The first equation becomes 4c1 plus 4c2 equals to 20. Okay, now if we subtract these two equations, 7c2 comes out to be 22. Okay, c2 becomes 22 by 7. So the value of c2 for these initial values comes out to be 22 by 7. Now finding the value of c1, c1 comes out to be 5 minus 22 by 7, that means 13 by 7. Okay, so the value of c1 comes out to be 13 by 7 for this initial value problem. Now we'll solve the second part similarly. For the second part, we are given that y of 0 is equals to 6 and y dash 0 is also equals to 6. Okay, so we can say that c1 plus c2 equals to 6 and 4c1 minus 3c2 equals to 6. Okay, so similarly as the first example, we multiply first equation with 4. So first equation becomes 4c1 plus 4c2 equals to 24. Now subtracting these two equations, 7c2 comes out to be 18. Okay, so the value of c2 from here comes out to be 18 by 7. Okay, similarly c1 will come out to be 17 by 7. So these are the values for the given initial value problems. Thank you.